there is still a lot the world needs to learn about humans, especially in terms of health, mental wellness, and how our bodies work. This includes information about erectile dysfunction and why it occurs, the fact that men have G-spots, and so on. According to experts, the following are the interesting facts about the male body. Men have a G-spot just like women. When stimulated, it can help them experience more pleasure during sex, even reaching orgasm. The male G-spot is also known as the P-spot. The P stands for prostate. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder. It's great for producing quick and powerful orgasms, but that's not its main purpose. It also aids reproduction by producing seminal fluid and allowing sperm to survive and thrive after being propelled from the penis. How do you find it? You can actually reach it two ways, internally and externally. Both ways can feel amazing, so it comes down to your comfort level, or your partner's. Internally. If you want to get up close and personal, the anus is the best way to do so. It's about 2 inches deep inside the rectum. If you have average length fingers, that's about first knuckle deep. Externally. You can indirectly stimulate the prostate via the perineum, or taint. That's the landing strip of skin that runs between the scrotum and anus. Second, penises are shaped that way for a reason. Although scientists are still debating it, many researchers believe the unique shape and pronounced ridge of the penis head is no accident. Looking back at our ancestors, researchers believe the shape of the penis helped extract competing male sperm, increasing the chances of successful reproduction. Third, men are technically capable of lactation because they are born with mammary glands. Producing milk, on the other hand, necessitates a significant increase in prolactin, the hormone responsible for lactation. Because this hormone is centered in the pituitary gland, any disturbance to it, such as a tumor, medication, or starvation, can cause lactation. Fourth, there is no correlation between a man's foot size and his penis size. For many years, this myth has circulated, but a study published by BJU International decided to put it to the test. 2 urologists measured the stretched penile length of 104 men and related this to their shoe size for the study. The end result: there was no scientific link between the two parts of the body. Fifth, male babies can get erections in the womb. Most mothers don't like to think about their baby boys getting erections, even when they are teenagers, but the fact is that many baby boys get boners while they're still in the womb. In fact, babies of both sexes are known to masturbate in utero, but boys are the only ones who can be caught while aroused on the sonogram. Sixth, men snore more than women. Anyone who has spent the night next to a loudly snoring man is probably not surprised by this fact. Because it comes from your nose and mouth, snoring is more common in men due to abdominal body fat. According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, approximately 40% of men snore on a regular basis, while only 24% of women snore on a regular basis. Seventh, men process threats better. They have a larger amygdala than women because they have a larger hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, which makes them more detail-oriented by nature. According to Langdon, men's larger amygdala may be responsible for their greater ability to process threats. Eighth, men get yeast infections. While yeast infections are far more common in women, 75% of women will get one at some point in their lives. Men can also get them. According to the Mayo Clinic, male yeast infections can result in a condition known as balanitis, inflammation of the head of the penis. Ninth, semen is not just sperm. Contrary to popular belief, sperm is not the only component of sperm, the cell that seeks the egg to reproduce. The majority of the fluid in sperm is secretions from male reproductive organs. Citric acid, free amino acids, fructose, enzymes, phosphorylcholine, prostaglandin, potassium, and zinc are all found in sperm, as reported by News Medical. 10th, semen is not just sperm. According to the University of Chicago Medicine, a study of 250 men who had their sperm analyzed at a fertility clinic revealed that men who ate more fruits and vegetables, particularly green leafy vegetables and beans, legumes, had higher sperm concentrations and better sperm motility compared to men who ate less of these foods. Walnuts and fish are two other foods that increase sperm count. Processed meats, trans fats, soy, pesticides, and high-fat dairy products, on the other hand, can dilute the supply. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.